kumsi benta ban kersa ni kisamla hakalat ban yok kamai kaji bat ban yang halaki jong kikchan uba persatuan tensong bade sembur mitrang ba kajela uloong ba sorkar kan sasna ki sanama hall haman laki distrik ha kajinglut ka ba arklur tingka u sembur mitrang ba kajela ba persatuan tensong ulapan pau ya kani ha kajan mi jong ka arpu khandai terei noi lor ha ka por bulak plai pai ba ya ka poster jong ka film khasi ya ka bal ai kerteng ahor ya ka ba lapan mi da ka HK films hasilong klam uba persatuan haba pelai pai ba ya kani ka poster jong kani ka film la sakhi langru da kiting shop bat puram jong kani ka film ahor bat upurusa jong kani ka film udai ba hilarious kharbi khieu ubadei ru tung shop ha kani ka film haba kren kum kongsan uba persatuan lo ong ba ka sarkar ka kwa bat kanti ki sab jong ki samla hapo ka jela lada ka dei hakar wai ka siaw ni ha ka shat ka kamen
Sibun ki issues hakabede but ka film making industry, and quite a number of times we have taken up this issue very seriously. Number one, recently I had a meeting with Urban Affairs Department because lot of petitions we received. And ultimately, we decided to have one dedicated cinema hall in Shillong. But that will take little more time because shifting or relocating that Yeo Maulong to other side is going to happen. You know that Yeo Maulong, we wanted to develop it, to beautify it. We wanted to have a proper shopping mall and also a proper cinema hall. So that is the first decision we have taken just a few days back. I am very sure in the years to come, we will accomplish this intention of the government. Ni kwa ban kentiu ya ka sap ka pong jong ki kon samla jongi piong ha ka lan jong ka jing wai piong ha ka liang jong ka jingshan ha ka liang jong ka acting bat sin lam la kan thei ni don la ka jong ka sap. Number 2, ngidang ya plat banyak waktu ya association la dong wa asngo bahapan kendu yang awan no kap loy maybe few districts ngila ban construct they ban establish ya cinema hall ya kita ngila I assurance nomor bahkan it does not involve much financial implication. If we can have maybe 1.5 to 2 crores, I think that is good enough in the district level. In the district level, 1.5 up to 2 crores maximum, I think we'll be able to come it up. Then nakaliang Joko Sarkar and Xiaomi, we are there with all of you. What do we say? Lada sila kawe ka plim pio ya ka jinsiu. Kadai ko ba ang kaman lada don tang san riutuli hakasisnet ngatrai la ya kala model piong karyam piong kabang kadi bat ka employment kabagi. Tinggal iya kan ke area, kan ke sektor. Bangi don kam, bakadon ke potensiality ya. Bat ngikuang sisa, ban kentiu, ban ngangit skem gomo orang pihak ini kipor, kibanwan, ngin pen urlong ya ki. Kisus joka taxes, ya kan niru matrai kan bahanga bepinora ya. Ki ki bangila, GST ngin don buon ni. The state government, we don't have authority from the state government to reduce the GST, but of course we will be able to take it up with the central government. And our chief minister, he is also the member of the GST council. Maybe we will take it up in the council itself. Ngangas rumah dong, tongin ya tresitong, ni naga government ru, ni don rengkat nadin, jompi, kibadon kasap. Kibadan kapong. Itang ini ketin makaniat ke Malaysia jamu kajing syakot semua bahar kejunga ibadeng jual yung nak try bahar banwan be tingong nganwan be wat la dengan nang ban at film ru nrei ngakwat ban IMC nakaliang juga sorkar ikwa ban IMC dengan ngitsken makaniat sektor kumong pihak we kesni kan lo ke sektor kapag paunam kaban long more less kum tourism sector. Kata kabang akwa banyu ya kadika sektor hakapede bangka film making industry. In play ya kadika poda bangka kermen skem bangka kadika film kan long sisa kacing toy bangka baya iya ubah.